Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to cook a typical Russian salad, Olivier as we call it. I made it for New Year's celebration. So you can boil three main ingredients of this salad in one can. This is potato, carrot and eggs. I took about 6 potatoes, about 5 or 6 carrots and 4 big eggs. So you boil it in one can. This is very handy, and what you have to add is pickled cucumbers, green peas and sausage. Okay, let's start with potato. Just cut potato in squared pieces. Then we cut carrot in square pieces and also sausage, and every ingredient we cut into square pieces. Then we cut eggs. Eggs we cut into small pieces, and also we cut into small pieces pickled cucumbers. Add a little bit of pea and black pepper and mayonnaise, and that's it. This is Olivier salad. Try it yourself and tell me in the comments how do you like it.